Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about different types of cloud computing models. The first one is infrastructure as a service or IaaS. Second one is platform as a service or PaaS. And the third one is software as a service or SaaS, or some people call it SaaS applications. Okay, the first one is infrastructure as a service. So, what exactly is infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service is a type of cloud computing service that offers essential compute, storage, and networking resources on demand on a pay as you go basis. Migrating your organization's infrastructure to an IaaS solution helps you reduce maintenance of on-premise data centers, save money on hardware costs, and gain real-time business insights. IaaS solutions give you the flexibility to scale your IT resources up and down with demand. They also help you quickly provision new applications and increase the reliability of your underlying infrastructure. Let's say there is an organization and this organization has like 500 servers. Now, if this organization move these servers to the cloud, if they want to host these applications or servers in the cloud service provider like Amazon Web Services or Azure Cloud or whatever it is, the main benefit is they can reduce the maintenance of on-premise data centers. So they need not buy the space. They can move, once they move everything to the cloud service providers would take care of the maintenance. You can save a lot of money on hardware costs, and you can also gain real-time business insights. Okay, so let's say all of a sudden if you have a requirement to install 200 servers. Okay, if you host your own server environment, if you want to install 200 servers, it takes a lot of time because you need to order the servers and the servers need to come to the data center and you need to install it, and it takes a lot of time. Instead, if you have this infrastructure as a service model, all you need to do is you need to just log into Amazon Web Services console or Azure console or Google Cloud console and select 200 machines, virtual machines, and just select your configuration and you can spin up those instances in no time. So infrastructure as a service offers essential compute, storage, and networking resources on demand. So whenever you need it, you can access it, and whenever you don't require it, you can stop using it. So this is on demand on a pay as you go basis. So this is the beauty of infrastructure as a service. The second one is platform as a service. Platform as a service is a cloud computing model where a third party provider delivers hardware and software tools to users over the internet. Usually these tools are needed for application development. A PaaS provider hosts the hardware and software on its own infrastructure. As a result, PaaS frees developers from having to install in-house hardware and software to develop or run a new application. So let's say there is a developer. Okay, so let's say there is a developer and this developer wants some kind of you know development tools. So if you can provide platform as a service to the developers, they can simply access those development tools and they can run the code or they can do their work using this platform as a service. Okay, so it is very helpful, especially for the developers to use these applications. Now let's go to the third one, software as a service or SaaS applications. Software as a service is a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. So let's say there is a company and this company uses mail application, Office 365 application. Okay, now companies need not buy the servers, install Office 365 or mail application. They can simply use Office 365 SaaS application. So it is readily available. So users can simply access the mail applications. And there are many other examples like even Salesforce. If you are using Salesforce application, it's a cloud-based software as a service application. Even Dropbox, if you want to upload some files or data, Dropbox is also SaaS application. Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Yahoo Mail, Gmail, all these applications are software as a service application. So whenever organizations need it, they can use these services. They need not install the servers to run these applications. They can simply buy the service and they can use it, and whenever they don't require it, they can stop using it. So these are the three different cloud computing models. So I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.